Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to purchase NFT art using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to get money from your exchange over to the Trust Wallet and then using that with Pancakeswap to buy NFT art. It's actually quite easy to do. So I'll just show you guys step by step what to do. So just make sure you guys follow along. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now. And you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once your BNB is in your account here in your Smart Chain, you guys do have to do a couple more steps before you guys can purchase your NFT art. Now, first things first, you guys need the contract ID. So we're going to head over to CoinMarketCap. I'll have the link over in the description for you guys. And you just want to head over to CoinMarketCap, and you want to copy this contract ID right here. So you guys can just click on this to copy it. Once it's copied, you guys can exit out of here and go back over to Trust Wallet. Once you guys are back in Trust Wallet, you guys want to navigate over to the top right of your screen where you see that little emblem. And then you want to paste that ID in here. You should then see NFT art right here. You can go ahead and enable that and then click on done. Now, you guys will notice on the bottom of my screen, I have 4 little options: wallet, browser, DEX, and settings. If you guys have all 4 options, you guys can skip this next step. But if you guys, for whatever reason, don't have browser there, all you guys have to do is this next step. I'll have a link in the description for you guys to click on. And all you guys have to do is head over to this website here. And it's just Trust Wallet's community support page. And all you guys have to do is enable the D-app browser. And to do that, you guys can just follow along in these options right here. But to make it quicker, all you guys have to really do is click on this little link. And then it'll bring you back into your Trust Wallet here. And it should just ask you to open it or enable it. And then you should see your browser option at the bottom there. If you guys are having any trouble, you can just follow along in the settings here, and then it will show you exactly what to do step by step. But it is very easy and straightforward. Once you guys have that browser on the bottom here, you guys can now purchase your NFT art. And to do that, you just want to click on browser, scroll down till you see Pancakeswap, click on Pancakeswap. And once you're on Pancakeswap right here, you're going to have to go to the top right corner where you see connect. You're going to have to click on connect. And then it's going to ask you to click on your wallet. So you're going to click on Trust Wallet. And then it should only take a couple seconds to automatically connect your wallet. And you're going to know it's connected fully when you see your wallet ID like mine is in the top right corner there. And once you guys have that there, all you have to do is go on the exchange portion. So you're going to want to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner and then click on exchange. Once you guys are done that, you can scroll down and you should see this exchange screen right here. Now you just want to click on select a currency, and you're going to want to paste that same ID in here as well. And then you will see NFT art. So you're just going to click on NFT art. And then all you guys have to do is make sure your slippage tolerance is on 12%. To change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go up to where you see that little clock emblem, and to the left, you'll see those 3 lines. Click on those, and then you will see slippage tolerance right here. You just want to type in 12% to make sure you're on 12%. Then click on the X. And now simply all you guys have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to convert over to NFT art. So let's just say if I want to transfer 0.2 BNB over, it will then show you the amount of NFT art you will get in exchange for that BNB. If you're okay with that, you guys can just click on where my screen says insufficient BNB balance. It should say continue or purchase for you. And then once you guys do that, it'll show you a broken down conversion of what you guys are going to be getting for your BNB. And if you guys are okay with that, you can just click on confirm or buy, and then it'll just tell you that your transaction is being completed. It might take a couple minutes for it to transfer, as there is not a lot of liquidity on here right now. But once that is finished, you guys can then exit out of here, go back over to your wallet, and you will see your NFT art in your wallet here in a couple minutes. Very, very simple and easy to do. And like I said before, if you guys have any issues, just let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to make another video to help you guys out if you guys are having any issues. Otherwise, I really hope I was able to help. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.